Hi there and welcome to another episode of CiaoBedBugs. In today's segment, we'll get into an affordable and eco-friendly solution for getting rid of bedbugs. The power of cinnamon. Does cinnamon oil work for bedbugs? Cinnamon is a popular spice obtained from the bark of trees belonging to the cinnamomum genus. Cinnamon is often suggested as natural remedies for repelling or killing bedbugs due to its strong odour and suffocating properties. One of the primary compounds responsible for this effect is cinnamaldehyde, which gives cinnamon its distinct flavour and scent. Cinnamaldehyde is known to have insecticidal and insect repellent properties against various insects and pests such as bedbugs. Additionally, cinnamon and cinnamon essential oil contain other aromatic compounds such as eugenol and cinnamyl acetate, which contribute to their repellent qualities against bedbugs. Cinnamon is an affordable, family-friendly, and readily available bug repellent. It's easy to use, emits a pleasant aroma, and provides quick, long-lasting results. Not only does it effectively deter bedbugs, but it also is edible and can be consumed to reduce allergic reactions and the risk of bug bites. Its simplicity and effectiveness make it a popular choice for bug prevention in households. If you have the choice, pick this type of cinnamon, Cinnamomum cassia, because it has a stronger and more pungent aroma due to its higher concentration of cinnamaldehyde, which is the compound responsible for its insect repelling properties. Look for cinnamon essential oil that is 100% pure and free from additives, diluents, or synthetic chemicals. Also, the extraction method used can impact the quality of the oil. Steam distillation and cold press extraction are the best methods for preserving cinnamon oil's integrity. How to use cinnamon and cinnamon oil for bedbugs. For cinnamon, you need to follow these two steps. Step number 1. Sprinkle the cinnamon powder. Sprinkle cinnamon powder around areas where you suspect bedbug activity, such as around the bed legs, mattress seams, and cracks and crevices in the bedroom may be. Bedbugs will avoid getting close to the ground cinnamon powder. Step number 2. Use cinnamon sticks. You can also place cinnamon sticks under the bed or near potential hiding spots for bedbugs. These are the steps you will need if using cinnamon essential oil for bedbugs. Step number 1. Create a cinnamon oil spray. Mix a few drops of cinnamon essential oil with water in a spray bottle. You can also add a few drops of dish soap to help disperse the oil in the water. You can also use rubbing alcohol instead of water for this spray. Step number 2. Spray infested areas. Spray the cinnamon essential oil solution directly on bedbugs if you spot them. Be cautious when doing this, as it may not eliminate the entire infestation. Step number 3. Spray around the bed. Spray the solution around your bed frame, headboard, and other furniture in the bedroom. Focus on cracks and crevices where bedbugs might hide. Or you can use cinnamon oil as a repellent. You can also apply the cinnamon essential oil to your skin as a repellent when you sleep. However, do be sure to dilute the oil properly with a carrier oil to avoid skin irritation. Prepare a pouch with cinnamon and cloves. By mixing cloves and cinnamon in a sachet, you produce a combination of scents that bedbugs cannot stand, providing an efficient preventative solution. Pick sachets with breathable fabric. Fill them with those two repellent spices and strategically position them in areas where you want to protect your belongings against bedbug infestations. So in conclusion, cinnamon offers an eco-friendly, cost-effective, and versatile method for dealing with bedbugs. For best results, all on your own, against bedbugs, combine it with other DIY techniques like diatomaceous earth, mattress encasements, and interceptor cups. In the video description below, you can find a comprehensive list of the most efficient and budget-friendly tools for bedbug issues. See you soon.